Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download image from Photopea app. If you don't know how to save the photo that you have just edited, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. Find the Photopea app, now open it. Now tap onto the simple editor button and choose from library to choose one photo. Now tap on it. Then do whatever edit you want to do to your photos, just like this. Then here you can find the option of arrow button on the bottom left corner. Now simply tap on it. Now after tapping it, your photo will be automatically saved to your gallery. Now go to your gallery and check the photo that you have just saved. And here you can see the photo has been saved. And that's it. This is how you can download the image on the Photopea app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.